Oh yes. So I'm showing you, I'm not sure what I'm showing you. Here we are at the moment. So I'm going to this city and to this cathedral. It is. Yeah. And my ticket is valid for, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna ask if I can go to this city as well, because I need to take a picture of this mountain from standing beside the lake. I should be able to see this mountain. So if I have a picture that I took, it's yeah, I'm gonna integrate it into the movie script, because the one that I got, someone else has taken it, so I cannot use that one. But otherwise, I'm gonna video the sweater. I'm gonna video the sweater with the armpit porn. So I'm gonna be praying, looking upward, and I'm gonna be having the ceiling in the background, like there is a Baroque ceiling picture, a painting. Yes, and I'm bored. I started in Uznach, so there is a monastery I would love to visit. I'm not sure, is it on this hill over there or where exactly?